What's up guys, it's Megan Vela. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, it's all about touristy spots na makikita sa Cebu City. Pagdating namin doon guys, mayroong mga malalapit lang talaga, as in abot tanaw lang sa aming tinutuluyang hotel na mga touristy spots. So while waiting for the hotel's check-in time na 12 noon, naisipan naming puntahan ang 4 touristy spots na ito, which is the Cathedral or Basilica Minor del Santo Niño de Cebu. It was found by Father Andres D. Ordaneta on April 28, 1565. In 1599, the convent was made a house of studies of grammar headed by the Visayan linguist Father Alonso D. Mintreda. Same guys sa Simala Church, may rules din nga sinusunod doon. Bawal ang naka-shorts or sleeveless. Second, dinapuntahan namin ay ang Magellan's Cross. It's beside the cathedral guys. The cross was built in 1841 on the island of Cebu and was created by Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer serving the Spanish crown, erected a wooden cross on the shores of Cebu Cross, planted in April 21, 1521, of course by Ferdinand Magellan. Third na pinuntahan namin ay ang Santo Niño statue, was found in 1565, the oldest Roman Catholic church in the country. In the same plaza guys, we hardly notices the BPI Museum and Library. This is one of the best kept secrets in Cebu. Kaso guys, sayang, di namin napasok or napuntahan kahit malapit lang din ito sa hotel kasi mas nawili kami sa mga malalayong tourist spot. Kaya doon naubos ang oras namin. Pero sabi nila, BPI Museum was designed by none other than Filipino architect extraordinary Juan Marcos Arellano. So, panoorin niyo guys ang 4 na tourist spot na una naming napuntahan sa Cebu. Maiikli lang naman guys ang video na bawat tourist spots. Please watch this! Simbahan. Pupunta kami sa Cathedral ng Cebu City. Pupunta guys muna kami sa simbahan bago kami papasyal. Colegio del Santo Niño. Papasok na kami guys. Ayan yung entrance. Dito ang sindihan ng mga kandila. Ito may free na kandila guys. Tapos na akong magsindi guys. Maglilibot-libot na lang muna ako dito. Papasok kami sa katedral. Guys, ayan si ate Shana at si mama. Nakatapi sila kasi bawal mag-short, mag-skirt, tsaka mag-dress ng maikli. Bibidyoin ko guys isa-isa ang mga ribulto. Guys, napakaganda. Kumpleto ang mga santo at santa. Kalagay sila sa stante. Nasa labas guys ang misa. Every Friday kasi may misa dito. Ang ganda guys ng ceiling ng simbahan. Napakagandang kursipiho. Videohan ko ulit yung ceiling. Maghuhulog kami ng coins dyan guys. Pila ang pahalit kay Santo Niño. Babalik na lang kami rito kasi matagal pa naman kami rito. Ayan guys, dito ang misa. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Magellan's Cross. Kasi puno yung parkingan doon sa isang church na pupuntahan sana namin. The Cross of Magellan. Diyan nakalagay ang Magellan's Cross. Ayan guys, ang BPI Museum. Sabi ni Mama gusto niyang pumunta dyan. Guys, napakalaking rebulto ng Santo Niño. Pupuntahan namin guys. Super lucky guys. Aalis na kami guys. Guys, day 1 pa lang namin yan. Abangan nyo guys ang mga susunod na touristy spots na pinuntahan namin. Napakaganda guys ng Cebu. Napakadaming magagandang touristy spot doon. Medyo natatagalan lang guys ang pag-edit dahil may pasok na kami. Sinisingit lang sa vacant time. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you're updated for my newer videos. Bye guys! See you in my next vlog. Peace!